Hi, I am David and this video we are going to talk about common interlanguage mistakes. The concept of interlanguage refers to common mistakes that students make when they are learning a new language influenced by their native language and other factors. This is the first text. Who is the best player of soccer in the world? Many people think that the best player in the world is Messi in the history of the soccer. But in this fight exists another person. He is Cristiano Ronaldo, former Real Madrid player and top scorer of Real Madrid. He was winner of 5 trophies of Champions League. Cristiano Ronaldo, on the other hand, impresses with his dedication, work ethic, and his ability to perform in different leagues and teams. His physical power and competitive mentality have kept him among the football elite for a long time. Although the best player depends on much that is bold, whether it is natural talent and creativity, as in the case of Messi, discipline and scoring instinct like Cristiano or the future stars that are emerging. Let's look at interlinguistic errors or language transfer, which occur when a person applies the rules or structures of their native language to the language they are learning. The first error is in the history of the soccer because there is an influence from Spanish. The correct structure in English would be in the history of soccer without the. The next error is exists another person because there is an error in the transfer of the grammatical structure of Spanish. In English, the correct way to write this is there is another person. Another error in this paragraph is he was winner because there is an influence from Spanish. In English, it should be said he won or he was the winner. Now, let's look at intralinguistic errors. These are errors that occur within the same language due to misuse of its rules or structures. In this text, we see an intralinguistic error, which is depend. The verb should agree with the subject in the third person singular. The correct one is depends. Let's look at the errors due to communication strategies that occur when ineffective methods are used to become language barriers. Here we see an error is so much that is bold. The sentence is confusing. It should be something like depends on various factors or depends on many factors. Well, this is the next paragraph. The pollution is a big problem in our planet. Many factories and cars emit harmful gases that damage the air and cause health problems for people. In addition, deforestation makes it harder for the planet to clean the air naturally. Governments around the world are trying to find solutions to reduce the emissions, but is difficult to change the habits of the peoples. In my opinion, the education is the best way to fight this issue because people need to be aware of the consequence of their actions.
Here we can see intralinguistic errors. For example, the pollutionist, it should be pollutionist. The is unnecessary. Another error is cars emit. It should be cars emit because emit is the plural verb. The next error is people's. It should be people because people is an irregular plural noun in English. Now let's look at the intralinguistic errors. Deforestation make. It should be deforestation makes, since the verb must arrive with the singular subject. Another error is people needs. I should be people need. Again, an agreement error between the verb and the plural noun. In conclusion, we have reviewed two examples of text writing by English learners, identifying several types of errors that reflect the interlanguage process. These mistakes are common in second language learning and show how students apply the rules of their native language to English. Thank you.